What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel, Life with KG. Make sure you guys turn on the post notifications so you guys never miss a video. And if this is your first time watching a video, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Hope you guys enjoy all of my vlogs. Make sure to watch all of them because they are banger videos. Anyways, in today's videos, you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, we actually are switching out my 2016 M4 screen, which isn't touchscreen. I believe all 2015 and 2016 models, and I'm not sure about the 17s, but I know that the 18s and above all come touchscreen, and it sucks. I wish they would have all came with touchscreen from factory, but they didn't. So anyways, my good friend Aries found me a very clean screen head unit, whatever, from a 2018. No scratches on it, very clean. And that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be switching out the screen that's not touchscreen on the M4 GTS, and we're going to switch it to one that is finally touchscreen. So it's not like anything crazy, but it's pretty cool that I think I want to be the only M4 GTS with a touchscreen. I know it's nothing too crazy, like I said, but it's something nice to have. It's a luxury to have a touchscreen in your 2016 M4. Because I know, like I said, I don't think the 2015s and the 2016s, and I'm not sure about the 17s, but they don't come touchscreen. I know that the 2018s and above all come touchscreen, full screen CarPlay, all that stuff. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. So I hope you guys enjoy the new mod. And like I said, hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go inside Daniel's house. Let's check out the cool cars that he's working on. He's always got cool cars in here. So let's go. Starting off, of course, we got the homie Nikon always pulling up on us. Very clean M8. Well, not so clean. It's dirty. It needs a car wash. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm exposing you, G. We got the homie Brandon. Beautiful lime rock gray M4 CS with CCBs. Check this out. Damn, look at that. I like that. That's pretty cool. Maybe if we could do something like that in the GTS, like acid orange around it, I think that'd be pretty cool. Very well kept as well. Very clean. What's up? Yeah, that shit looks sick. On this side here, we got homie Louis M4 CS. What's up, bro? Good. How are you? What's up? What's up? What's going on? Sheesh. Brand new diffuser. Damn. M4 CS with CCBs. Super rare color to find in an M4 CS. Like I mentioned in a couple of my vlogs ago, it's kind of hard to find them in red. All right, guys, so this is the screen right here. So this is what we're going to be replacing. It's literally the exact same screen, like identical, same size and everything, but this one is going to be touchscreen. And as you guys can see, look, there's the comparison. Basically the same thing. It is the same thing, same size, same everything. All right, guys, all we got to do is wait for the big homie Aries to pull up. And look how we parked, bro. Imagine I was that freaking low. Bro, there's literally like no clearance at all. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm super excited to get this screen installed. Finally, gonna have some touch screen in the car, make the car, you know, feel newer, look newer. We're not gonna have no old non-touch screen. Gotta make sure we have a touch screen in our car, you know. Damn, that Ford look good. Oh my gosh. You guys notice a difference in the polarizer too? Get rid of that glare from the windshields. Damn.
Damn, bro, you're brave for putting the car that way.
What? Oh, reversed?
Yeah.
I know, it's bad.
I've never had it bad since the car was brand new. I was telling these guys, I was like, damn, he's brave.
Look, he's even got the carbon mud flaps.
Hold on,
How do you guys feel about those? Carbon mud flaps? Should we do some of those? I like that. It's pretty cool. I think it'll save from like all the tire shines spinning on the car, I think. Very clean. This is what I want to do next right here. That M4 badge. I think it'll look cool.
You don't have it?
No. Mine just says M on it. It's old, G. We're trying to upgrade the car. I know. Don't worry. Slowly. I'm getting touchscreen. Got CarPlay. Now we're getting a touchscreen screen finally. What? You want me to put those?
Yeah.
Carbon tips? They don't fit my car though.
Make it fit.
How are you gonna make it fit?
Shove it in.
That's what she said.
Give me a sledgehammer.
Nah, these are sick though. Carbon tips will look crazy on the M4. Damn. This color is sick. And the canards in the front too. That's fire. Damn. Rich. With Alcantara headliner? Damn, that's sick. Ooh. Damn, look at that. Dude, in red, it looks sick. Big homie Ayers is here, finally. Well, hello there, Mr. Ayers. It's been a couple days. Been trying to see you, G. What's going on?
Easy coding, programming cars all day, bro.
I know, you've been busy, man. I've been trying to get this screen installed over here. Touchscreen, finally. I'm gonna be like you guys.
Yeah.
My car's gonna feel newer.
Yes.
So I'm gonna have full screen CarPlay and touchscreen. Just
You're
like
gonna
the
have a 2016 GTS with the original OEM touchscreen display
Finally.
with all the things that you already had. But
So
we
it'll
just
be like if
upgraded.
my car's like a 2018 or something.
Yes, 2018, 19, and 20
Nice.
F82. Yeah.
I'm excited, bro. I'm excited for you to install this.
Yeah.
Damn. It's loud, huh? Too loud? Shit's nice though.
like an asshole? Can you explain to me why you parked that way?
I don't know. You want me to tell him? Oh, no, Ayers. Stop. Stop. Oh my gosh, bro. You're tripping, G. You had to work while you were driving?
I was working while driving. I did the M4 CSL flash
While you're
on
driving?
one of the shops.
While he's driving.
While I was driving, I left the computer to flash and I was driving to the
No
next place.
way.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You're dedicated, G. Yeah, guys, Nikon's car's for sale if you guys want to buy it. Because he can't afford the payments no more. All right, Mr. Ayers, I'm ready for this.
Let's do it.
Close the door for you. You need the key?
Nope. Not yet.
My G's a professional?
That's what they say.
Oh my. Salvage G?
Salvage.
You want me to put that in the trunk?
Yeah.
Shout out to my boy Ayers. If you guys need any coding, programming, tuning, anything for your BMW, he can make keys, all that stuff, hit him up. I'm gonna drop his Instagram down below. Make sure you guys go follow him, let him know that LifeWithkg sent you.
Thank you, bro.
And he'll
Appreciate
get
it.
you right.
Thank you.
You could do pretty much everything, guys.
Everything.
He's literally like your one-stop shop. And he's mobile too. So he comes to you and yeah, he'll come to you and he'll get all your stuff right. And we're about to see this process go down. It's scary to a person like me that doesn't know anything about switching out stuff like this. But I'm sure to you it looks normal.
Bro, I can talk to you on the phone and do the same thing.
You could tune another car while you're doing this?
Bro, I can work on another car while I'm doing it.
That's crazy. But as you can see, he's being super precautious, got like a microfiber towel, super clean work he's doing. But yeah, like I said, if you guys need any coding, programming, anything with your BMW, you want to remove like seat belt sound deletes, if you guys got aftermarket seats and you need to code it out, airbag delete, all that stuff, Ayers is the man. He's literally like the #1 coder here in the Valley, and he's been doing so many BMWs, it's crazy. I don't know how many BMWs he's done. He's done for sure like over like 3,000, 4,000 BMWs easily. So he's come a long way, and like I said, for any codings, programmings, tuning, he does CSL flashes now for the G80, all that stuff. So hit him up. Like I said, I'll drop his Instagram down below. You guys gotta go follow him, let him know that LifeWithkg sent you guys, and he'll get you right. He could do remote as well. So if you're not from California, he can literally do remote. All you gotta do is have your own computer and cable, and then he'll take care of the rest for you. So I'm telling you, he's literally crazy. Like, he's moved up so much. So you can see the screen is already coming out. And shit's crazy, bro.
That's it. Bye-bye, old screen.
Oh my god.
Good morning, new screen. Simple as that.
Yo, that's wild. All right, guys, we gotta move Ayers' M5. Damn, this thing is nice. Sheesh. F90 M5. Rich. Should we get an M5, guys? Super nice. Oh my god.
Give me my dongle, bro.
Huh?
My dongle, my Wi-Fi dongle.
Sheesh. Ayers in the GTS? Watch out, you got a car behind you, Ayers. Sheesh. Dude, the way this car hits in the sun, you can see all the orange accents of the cage. Later, G. Drive safe. Yeah, I'm ready. No way. Finally.
All original. Coated by me.
Beautiful.
And installed by me.
Thank you.
Enjoy it, bro. With the full screen CarPlay made by me too.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, my boy. Thank you so much, Mr. Aries. We did it, guys. Full screen, and it's touch screen too. Hell yeah, guys. It's gonna be my first time going in here and testing out. Oh my, bro. Damn, that's crazy. That is wild. Full screen. Freaking, that's sick. I've never had touchscreen before. It's my first time having a touchscreen car.
Oh shit.
I'm like you guys now. Damn. M4 GTS and M4 CS. I need some wheels on my car, guys. What do you guys think? That's how we communicate with each other, guys. By revving at each other. Damn, look how the headlights look.
Yo, that shit is loud as fuck.
I was telling them that's how we communicate with each other, by revving. Dude, it looks so good. Oh my god.
I've never seen it roll.
It looks so freaking good.
Yeah.
Especially with like the windows up, everything is like dark.
Yeah,
it looks
yeah.
crazy. Yeah, that's just sick. And the fitment's on point too. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.